So we all keep looking for alternative investments apart from stocks and mutual funds. And one such stable investment, I would say, is real estate investment trust, or in short, REITs. But which REIT should we invest in? Well, there are few options. Okay, 4 to 5 options here available in India. Today I'm going to discuss about one of the REITs which I feel is a good prospect for swing trade and for long term investment as well. And this analysis will clearly be based on only price action. Okay, no fundamentals analysis I'm going to cover in this part. Well, the price action will decide why this could be a good time. We are going to check it out soon. But before that, let me tell you some details about REITs. Well, if you invest in REITs, then it will obviously give you capital gain when the price of the REIT goes up. Okay, along with that, it will give you dividend. Okay, quarterly. Normally it ranges from around 5 to 6 or maybe to 7% as well. It depends. You can find it out. You can do Google search and you can find it out how much dividend it has given in the last quarter, and you can also find the exact number, like how much dividend per share it has given. I will show you that also. You can find in the chart itself. Okay, so let's go to the screen and discuss the price action of this REIT, and this will be obviously only price action analysis. And just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation or any investment recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video, right? So with that said, let's go to the screen. All right, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the REIT that I was talking about. This is Mindspace Business Park REITs. Okay, so why this is a good prospect, let me just explain it to you. So when we go to the price action, what do we see? We can see that, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, we can see that from this point, like July 2023, okay, it did start a trend. I can safely draw one trend line here like this. Let me draw one trend line. Okay, so you can clearly see that this REIT gave a breakout around here, then came back, retested this level, and then the journey started. And if we measure from that point, okay, then we can see it has given around 44-45% return, above 40% return in 490 days. That means around like 1 year, 3 months or 4 months. Okay, but 40% return is great considering that in the last 1 year, that is 2025, entire year Nifty has given 0% return or negative returns also, we can say. Okay, and silver has given exceptional return, and in comparison to Nifty, this 44% in 1 year 3 months is fantastic, I would say. Okay, it's a fantastic number. And not only that, it has given dividend during this period. Let me show you the point where I was going to explain how you can find out the dividend. Okay, so if we say we have captured the move after it retested, okay, the support line, okay, the resistance turned into support. This is the line I am talking about, 332.06. You can round up 330 or anything, whatever you want. Okay, so let's say we have invested here on 9 September 2024. So here you can see it gave a dividend of 5.15 rupees per share on 30th October 2024. Okay, then again on January 2025 it gave 5.32 return per share. Then again on May 6.44 rupees per share, then 5.79 rupees per share, then again on 7th November 2025 5.83. So if we take a look back, then 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and this one also 5 times it has given dividend of more than on average of 5.50 rupees. Okay, so let's calculate how much it will be. It will be a rough calculation. Let me get my phone. Okay, first of all, if you have invested let's say 100 shares at 350, okay, 350 rupees, then 100, it will be 35,000 rupees. So now it will be around 50,000. Okay, let's say we assume up to this point 500 has touched 500, so 50,000. So 35,000 will become 50,000. That means 15,000 capital gain you have made. Along with that, it has given 5.15, then 5.32, 6.44, 5.79 and 5.83. Okay, 5 times it has given. So let me just calculate. Okay, I will take average of 5.5 into 5 times it has given that is 27.5 into 100. Okay, so 2750 plus 15,000 capital gain. So that is a very good return, and obviously it depends on how much you're investing. Let's say if you are investing 10,000 shares, not we are calculating on 100, the amount will be obviously very very big. Okay, but the percentage will obviously be same no matter if you invest 1000 or 1 lakh in a share. So just to give you a rough calculation, this is a very good return considering the year was negative for Nifty. Okay, now coming to the point why this could be a good time for a swing trade as well. Okay, normally I talk about positional trading or long term investment and separate video for swing trade, but this investment could be a good one for swing trade as well. Why? Because the momentum indicator clearly shows that. How? Let's see here. So you can see when we go to the daily time frame, we can see one clear crossover here in MACD, and the important thing is that it happened above the zero line. Okay, the momentum indicator clearly shows the rise in momentum, and same thing we are getting to see on the RSI indicator as well. You can see the RSI level used this middle line, the 50 level line and the moving average as the support, and then it jumped above the 60 level. Okay, for this candle. Along with that, we have to check the volume. So if we check the volume is also good. Okay, it is above this black line, that is a moving average line. So volume is also good. Now let's check the moving averages. Let me hide the momentum indicators and enable 50 MA. So when we check the 50 MA, we can clearly see the stock, the REIT bounced above 50 MA. Here you can see that it never closed below the 50 EMA line, and same thing happened here. So many candles you can see, so many wicks have formed, but not a single close below the 50 days moving average. That is a clear indication of strength. You do not need any other confirmation. So to sum it up, the moving average and the momentum indicator clearly shows that this stock, after slight correction here, okay, or you can say some little bit of pullback, it has again started gaining momentum, and most probably it is heading in the upward direction. And you can see here there is kind of a resistance zone. Okay, there was a resistance zone which this candles are actually trying to convert it into support. You can see multiple resistance here, although it is not perfect, it is crossing, but obviously it's a zone thing, it's not a line that it will perfectly align. So you can see it has clearly turned it into a support, and now again it is getting back its momentum, which is a good thing. Okay, so that is all about Mindspace Business REIT, and I hope this video was useful, informative, and definitely it did open up your mind towards alternative investment. There are many people who keep looking for stocks, penny stocks, small cap stock, micro cap stocks, just to make profit. But one thing they always forget, that if the overall sentiments, the market sentiments, let's say Nifty is weak, then 85% of the breakouts will fail. Okay, the remaining 15% will go little bit in the upward direction, then again it will get a big pullback, and again that will also fail. So in these cases, this alternative investment actually keeps giving us returns. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to know about other alternative investment. Well, REITs is one of my personal favorites, and it should be in everyone's portfolio. This is what I believe. The reason is the reason I have already explained, because it's a diversified investment and you keep getting dividends as well as capital gains, and you have already seen how historically it has given good returns even when Nifty was down. Okay, what else do you need? Okay, so that is all for this video. If video was helpful, please hit the like button, share it with other people, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the membership community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord, and you can ask your queries. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.